What is text mining? Text mining, also known as text data mining, is the process of transforming unstructured text into structured format to identify the meaningful patterns and new insights. By applying advanced analytical techniques such as naive Bayes, support vector machines, and other deep learning algorithms, companies are able to explore and discover hidden relationships in their unstructured data. Text is one of the most common data types within databases. Depending on database, this data can be organized as structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. Structured data. This data is standardized into a tabular format with numerous rows and columns, making it easier to store and process for analysis and machine learning algorithms. Structured data can include inputs such as names, address, and phone numbers. Unstructured data. This data does not have a predefined data format. It can include text from sources like social media or product reviews, or rich media formats like video and audio files. Semi-structured data. As the name suggests, this data is blended between structured and unstructured data formats. While it has some organization, it doesn't have enough structure to meet the requirements of a relational database. Examples of semi-structured data include XML, JSON, and HTML files. Text mining techniques. The process of text mining comprises several activities that enable you to deduce information from unstructured text data. Before you can apply different text mining techniques, you must start with text pre-processing, which is the practice of cleaning and transforming text data into usable format. Information retrieval. Information retrieval returns relevant information or documents based on predefined set of queries or phrases. IR system utilize algorithms to track user behaviors and identify relevant data. Information retrieval is commonly used in library catalog systems and popular search engines like Google. Some common information retrieval tasks include tokenization. This is the process of breaking out long form text into sentences and words called tokens. These are then used in the models like a bag of words for text clustering and document matching tasks. Stemming. This refers to the process of separating the prefixes and suffixes from words to derive the root word form and meaning. This technique improves the information retrieval by reducing the size of indexing files. Natural language processing. Natural language processing, which evolved from computational linguistics, uses methods from various disciplines such as computer science, artificial intelligence, linguistics, and data science to enable computers to understand a human language in both written and verbal forms. By analyzing sentence structure and grammar, NLP subtasks allow computers to read. Summarization is a subtask of NLP. This technique provides a synopsis of long pieces of text to create a concise, coherent summary of documents' main points. Part of speech tagging. This technique assigns a tag to every token in the document based on a part of speech, that is, denoting nouns, verbs, adjectives, etc. This step enables semantic analysis on unstructured text. Text categorization. This task, which is also known as text classification, is responsible for analyzing text documents and classifying them based on predefined topics or categories. This subtask is particularly helpful when categorizing synonyms and abbreviations. Sentiment analysis. This task detects positive or negative sentiment from internal or external data sources, allowing you to track changes in customer attitudes over time. It is commonly used to provide information about perception of brands, products, and services. These insights can propel businesses to connect with customers and improve processes and user experiences. Information extraction surfaces the relevant pieces of data when searching from various documents. It also focuses on extracting structured information from free text and storing these entities, attributes, and relationship information in a database. Common information extraction subtasks include feature selection or attribute selection is the process of selecting the important features to contribute the most to output of a predictive analytics model. Feature extraction is the process of selecting a subset of features to improve the accuracy of classification tasks. This is particularly important for dimensionality detection. Named entity recognition (NER) is an entity identification or entity extraction which aims to find and categorize specific entities in text like names or locations. For example, NER identifies California as a location and Mary as a woman's name. Customer service. There are various ways in which we solicit customer feedback from our users. When we combine with text analytic tools, net promoter scores, online reviews, support tickets, and social media profiles, which enable company to improve their customer experience with speed. Text mining and sentiment analysis can provide a mechanism for companies to prioritize key pain points for their customers, allowing businesses to respond to urgent issues in real time and increase customer satisfaction. Risk management. Text mining also has applications in risk management, where it can provide insights around industry trends and financial markets by monitoring shifts in sentiment and by extracting information from analyst reports and white papers. This is particularly valuable to banking institutions, as this data provides more confidence when considering business investment across various sectors. Maintenance. Text mining provides a rich and complete picture of the operation and functionality of products and machineries. Over time, text mining automates the decision making by revealing patterns that correlate with problems and preventive and reactive maintenance procedures. Text analytics helps maintenance professionals and unearth the root cause of the challenges and failures faster than ever before. Healthcare. Text mining techniques have been increasingly valuable to researchers in the biomedical field, particularly for clustering information. Manual investigation of medical search can be costly and time consuming. Text mining provides an automation method for extracting valuable information from medical literature. Spam filtering. Spam filtering is a technique where we receive spam mails. Spam frequently serves as an entry point for hackers to infect a computer system with malwares, viruses, etc. Text mining can provide a method to filter and exclude these emails from inboxes, improving the overall user experience and minimizing the risk of cyber attacks to end users. Thank you. That's all in this lecture. Hope we see you again.